Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an anti-aging remedy, a remedy that would take off all of those age-related problems on your skin, that would actually make you look super duper young and healthy. And that's it. It's actually gonna make you look so glowing. So if you're new, you are highly welcome. How are you doing and how is today? Okay, so without wasting any more time, let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, so let's go. Okay guys, for that ageless and a glowing smooth skin, we're gonna be needing potato. Now potato is a skin lightener. It helps to moisturize, clear up the skin and make the skin super duper smooth and healthy. Okay, so we're gonna be using Irish potato. Alright, so now I'll be putting just a little water to enable me blend it very well. Okay guys, so after blending, this is what we got. So I'm gonna be turning that into this bowl. And this is our potato paste. Okay guys, to make this treatment work really fine, we're gonna be needing to use honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent that helps to smoothen out the skin and make the skin look super duper young. Okay, so we're gonna be needing 1 tablespoon of honey. Now honey is very well required in this. Okay, it will really help to smoothen out and glow out the skin. Okay, so after that, we're gonna be needing sugar. Now, using sugar plus honey in a particular treatment is the bomb. Now this is actually going to help to smoothen out your face. It's going to help to smoothen out your body. That's if you're using it on your body. Okay, and it's going to revise your age. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting a good quantity of this sugar. And this is wow. Okay, so to make this even better, we're gonna be needing baking soda. Now using baking soda for a treatment helps to scrub out dead skin cells. It helps to maintain an even clear smooth skin, and it also helps to leave the skin looking toned, beautiful and younger. So we're going to be taking in 1 tablespoon of this, and then we're gonna stir it all up. Now we're gonna be needing carrots. Now the ingredient in carrot helps to leave the skin, really young. It helps to make the skin stay and tone. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be peeling this. Okay, so we're going to be cutting the carrots. Okay, since carrots does not contain too much of water, we're gonna be adding just a little water to be able to blend it really well. Okay, so we are hoping to get all of the full benefits. Okay, so after doing that, I would love to sieve the juice out. So after sieving the juice out, I'm going to be putting the carrot juice into this mix, and then we stir it. Now this is a great remedy, a great ingredient that helps to boost the skin, helps to maintain the skin and keep the skin super young, super glowing, and super fresh. So let's go apply this on our skin. Okay guys, so I've actually been keeping this for some time, and this is how it is. I actually put it in my fridge, and this is how it is. In case yours turn like this, it is still very good. Now see what is going to happen when I put in this brush. See that? That will change. Okay, so it is still very good, and before you apply this, you would have to wet your face with water. Now the essence of wetting your face with water is so that this treatment could get into your skin really well. Okay, so after that, then you can apply this. Give this a generous application. So after that is done, I will give it a scrub. Now trust me, this is actually going to make your skin really smooth, really glowing, and really beautiful. Yeah, you're not going to be experiencing any whiteheads or any blackheads or whatsoever around this place. See, I pressed that, but I didn't get to see any whiteheads. See that? Nothing. Okay, so before you go, you would have to leave this onto your face for at least 3 minutes. Now before you leave it on, you would have to apply this again. Okay, so after 3 minutes, then you can go wash this off, and I'll go wash mine off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is it. It is way natural. It is so effective. It feels good on my skin. Like, it also would help you to whoop out all of those, age problems that's going on there, dark spots, pimples, wrinkles, and all of that. It's so important, and it's so great, and I'm loving it. Yeah, so go give this a go, and you are not gonna be regretting you did. Okay guys, so if you did find this video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.